In today's video, we'll uncover some interesting facts about dogs that will leave you amazed and better informed. We're sharing 18 dog myths you should stop believing. And make sure to stick around for all 18 myths because thinking just one of these is accurate will change how we react and treat our dogs. Ready to get started? Let's go. Myth number 1. Rescue dogs aren't good pets. People often believe that these dogs end up in shelters because they have behavioral issues or problems. Sometimes it's assumed they were abandoned because they were challenging to handle. However, it's crucial to look beyond these misconceptions. Many dogs end up in shelters through no fault of their own. Changes in their owner's circumstances, health, or life, and not the dog's behavior, can lead them to being surrendered to a shelter. Adopting a rescue dog can be incredibly rewarding. These dogs often show immense gratitude for being given a second chance, and their loyalty knows no bounds. It's important to recognize that rescue dogs come in all shapes and sizes, with varying temperaments and histories. Misconceptions about their behavior often stem from a lack of understanding or misinformation. By adopting a rescue dog, you're not just gaining a pet, but potentially a loyal companion who will bring endless love and joy to your life. Myth number 2. Dogs only see in black and white. Did you know dogs actually do see colors? Although not as vividly as humans. Their color vision primarily consists of shades of blue and yellow, which still allows them to perceive the world in a spectrum of colors, just not as richly as we do. Understanding that dogs have some color vision helps us appreciate the nuances in their visual experiences. Now, real quick, before we move into myth 3, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. And also, make sure to hit that like button. Myth number 3. Old dogs can't learn new tricks. The belief that old dogs can't learn new tricks exists because some think that older dogs are set in their ways and less adaptable. However, this is far from the truth. While it might take a bit more time and patience, older dogs are perfectly capable of learning new things. In fact, many older dogs can be great companions for those who don't want the high energy levels of puppies. Their experience can make them easier to train in some respects, and they still enjoy mental stimulation and learning new tricks. Personally, there is a special place in my heart for older dogs. Their love is incomparable, and their remarkable intelligence makes the bond we share with them even more special. Myth number 4. Human foods are bad for dogs. While it's true that some human foods can be harmful to dogs, it's not accurate to say that all human foods are bad for them. The key is to know which human foods are safe and which aren't. For instance, many fruits and vegetables are not only safe but can be healthy treats for dogs. On the other hand, some foods like chocolate, grapes, and onions should be avoided at all costs and are harmful and toxic. These foods can even lead to death in our dogs. Understanding the difference between safe and harmful human food is essential to keeping your dog healthy and happy. As always, speak to your vet before giving your dog any human food. Myth number 5. Dogs can catch a cold from humans. Research has shown that giving your dog a cold is nearly impossible. While dogs can get respiratory infections, they are typically caused by different viruses and bacteria than those that affect humans. Dogs' immune systems are adapted to handle their own set of sicknesses. It's essential to note that dogs do get their version of the common cold, known as the canine infectious respiratory disease complex. This condition can have similar symptoms to a human cold, such as coughing and sneezing. However, it's not the same as the human cold, and it's not transmitted between dogs and humans. Nevertheless, it's crucial to remember that dogs can still become ill, and regular veterinary care is essential for their health, as some respiratory infections in dogs can be quite serious if left untreated. Myth number 6. Dogs age 7 years for every 1 human year. Dogs age at different rates depending on their breed and size. Small dogs tend to live longer than larger dogs, and the aging process is not linear. For example, a 1-year-old dog may be roughly equivalent to a teenager in human years, but after that, the rate of aging can vary significantly. Small dog breeds can have a more extended puppy phase, while larger dog breeds may show signs of aging earlier. Understanding a dog's age in human years is more complex than a simple 7-to-1 ratio, and there are better ways to estimate it based on the specific life stage and breed. Veterinarian professionals often use various age-related guidelines to assess a dog's health and recommend appropriate care. The American Veterinary Medical Association breaks it down like this. 15 human years equal the first year of a medium-sized dog's life. Year 2 for a dog equals about 9 years for a human, and after that, each human year would be approximately 5 years for a dog. So, a 3-year-old dog would be 29 years old in human years. Myth number 7. A wagging tail always means a happy dog. While a wagging tail can indicate happiness, it can also signal fear, anxiety, or even aggression. The key to understanding a dog's feelings accurately is to consider the context, tail position, and overall body language. For instance, a dog with a high, stiffly wagging tail may be showing signs of dominance or aggression, while a dog with a relaxed, loose wagging tail is likely content. A wagging tail should be seen as just one part of a broader emotional picture. Paying attention to other body cues such as ears, eyes, and posture is essential for interpreting a dog's state of mind accurately. Myth number 8. Dogs eat grass only when they are sick. Dogs may eat grass for various reasons, including improving digestion, relieving discomfort, or even simply due to personal preference. While it's true that some dogs may eat grass when they have an upset stomach to induce vomiting or help alleviate stomach discomfort, many dogs nibble on grass as part of their normal behavior. In some cases, it may provide fiber or micronutrients that are lacking in their diet. Occasional grass consumption is not necessarily a sign of illness, but if your dog starts to eat an unusual large amount of grass or show signs of distress, it's a good idea to consult your veterinarian to rule out any underlying health issues. Understanding your dog's individual needs and habits is crucial for their well-being, including their occasional grass-eating tendencies. Myth number 9. Dogs have a sixth sense about imminent disasters. The belief that dogs have a sixth sense about imminent disasters has been popularized in movies and stories. But there are no scientific evidence to support this idea. While dogs are known for their keen senses, they cannot predict natural disasters or other catastrophic events. Dogs may react to environmental changes such as shifts in barometric pressure or unusual sounds, which could make them appear anxious or agitated before an event like a thunderstorm or an earthquake. However, this is not a sixth sense, but rather a heightened sensitivity to their surroundings. Liking this video, hit that subscribe and like button if you have not yet. Myth number 10. A dog's mouth is cleaner than a human's mouth. Dogs' mouths contain various bacteria just like humans' mouths, and their cleanliness depends on their dental hygiene and habits. Dogs may clean themselves by licking their fur or wounds, which can introduce bacteria into their mouths. Additionally, they explore the world with their noses and mouths, so they can pick up germs from various surfaces. Neglecting dental care for dogs can lead to various health problems, including gum disease and tooth decay. It's crucial to establish good oral hygiene habits for your dog, such as regular teeth cleaning and dental checkups to maintain their mouth's health. Myth number 11. Dogs don't feel guilt. While dogs may not experience guilt in the same way humans do, they can display behaviors that humans interpret as guilt. When a dog looks guilty, it's often a response to their owner's body language and tone of voice rather than a genuine understanding of wrongdoing. For example, if a dog has an accident indoors and their owner scolds them, the dog may exhibit submissive behavior, which can be mistaken for guilt. Dogs are sensitive to their owner's emotions and can react to their disapproval. However, it's important to remember that a dog's actions are more about their response to your behavior than a true sense of guilt. Myth number 12. Dogs age out of playfulness. While older dogs may become less active as they age, they can still enjoy playtime and benefit from physical and mental stimulation. The type of play may change with age, but dogs can continue to engage in activities that they enjoy. For example, older dogs may prefer gentler games and shorter play sessions, but they still desire great pleasure from these interactions. Play is an essential part of a dog's overall well-being, regardless of their age. Keeping older dogs mentally and physically active can help maintain their quality of life. Myth number 13, all dogs need a large backyard. While having an outdoor space can be beneficial, what's crucial is providing dogs with adequate exercise, mental stimulation, and attention, regardless of your living situation. Some dog breeds and individual dogs thrive in smaller living spaces, such as apartments, as long as they receive daily exercise and mental stimulation. On the other hand, having a large backyard doesn't guarantee a well-exercised or happy dog if they are left alone without interaction. It's essential to tailor your dog's exercise and stimulation to their specific needs, considering factors like breed, age, size, and energy level, rather than relying solely on the size of your outdoor space. Myth number 14. All dogs of a specific breed are the same. Dogs of the same breed can have individual personalities and needs. While breed characteristics can provide general insights into a dog's behavior, it's essential to remember that each dog is unique. Factors like genetics, upbringing, socialization, and training can influence a dog's temperament and behavior. Assuming that all dogs of a particular breed will behave in the same way can lead to missed opportunities for understanding and connecting with your dog as an individual. Myth number 15. Dogs can't get sunburned. Dogs, especially those with thin fur or light-colored coats, can get sunburned, especially in areas with intense sunlight. Excessive sun exposure can lead to painful burns and increase the risk of skin cancer in dogs. It's essential to provide shade and protection for dogs with vulnerable skin, including applying pet-safe sunscreen to their ears, nose, and other exposed areas when necessary. Protecting your dog from sunburn is an important aspect of responsible pet care, especially during the summer months or in regions with strong sunlight. Myth number 16. Dogs age out behavioral issues. Some people believe that as dogs grow older, they will naturally become more well-behaved and less prone to problems like chewing, barking, or aggression. In reality, behavioral issues in dogs are not always age-dependent. While some dogs may mellow with age, others may continue to exhibit behavioral challenges without proper training and intervention. Addressing these issues early and consistently through training and socialization is crucial for ensuring a well-behaved dog at any age. Myth number 17. All dogs are naturally good with children. While many dogs are affectionate and patient with kids, not all dogs have the temperament or training to be safe around children. A dog's behavior around children can vary widely depending on their breed, socialization, and individual personality. It's crucial to assess a dog's suitability for a household with children and provide proper supervision and training when necessary. Myth number 18. All dogs need to be bathed frequently. The ideal bathing frequency for a dog depends on various factors including their breed, activity level, and skin condition. Overbathing can strip a dog's skin of natural oils and can lead to dryness or irritation. It's essential to follow the recommendations of your veterinarian or groomer regarding the appropriate bathing schedule for your specific dog. Understanding these common dog myths can lead to better care and companionship with our dogs. Dogs are unique individuals and their needs and behaviors can vary widely. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos and hit that like button and share this video with other dog lovers. See you in the next one.